So are you a pastaholic like me? If so, stick around.
Because today we're trying out chicken carbonara from Delish. Welcome everybody to Recipe or Disaster. We make the recipe for you and we give it our review.
I'm so excited about today because we are making pasta.
Pasta.
I love pasta.
Pasta's good.
And I've never actually tried chicken carbonara.
Me either.
So I'm looking forward to it.
I've seen it on the menu many times.
Never ordered it.
No. Olive Garden? No.
No.
I was going for the shrimp, fettuccine Alfredo.
Oh, love fettuccine Alfredo. Give me pasta. I love pasta.
So as you guys know, we love making these videos for you guys. But I wanted to bring up something real quick. We recently had a challenge and it was if we could get 300 views, then we would make a smoothie that you guys chose the ingredients for, and I had to drink it. So I'm reinstating that challenge. 300 views on this video, and I will drink a smoothie with the 5 ingredients that you guys pick out next week. So let's get that 300 views.
Just share with everybody. Share where you want to share it.
Yeah.
Just be excited because we're excited to bring these to you.
Yeah.
So we want you to be excited that you're getting them.
Exactly. So let's go ahead and make that happen. Yeah, so let's do that challenge again and we see if we can get, 300 views. It's not that many, really.
It's really
300.
not.
It's 300 views.
You share it once and someone that you know shares it once and so on and so on. And guess what? 300 views and he drinks something gross.
Yeah.
I think it's worth it.
She would. And it's totally a fun thing. Like, we can experience it together.
Let's do it Facebook Live. I will do
YouTube
it Facebook
Live.
Live
I'll
or
do the YouTube
Live.
Yeah.
We will live stream
it.
what he does so you can see all of it.
I'll live stream the actual making of the
fantastic.
thing and drink it like right in front of you. So
It'll be great.
there we go. Let's do that, all right? So anyhow,
All right.
if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the bell icon. And
like, subscribe,
yeah, and like and subscribe and do all that sharing stuff because sharing is caring. And
that's right.
And that's what we're wearing is caring. That was a bad rhyme.
That was a really bad rhyme.
Bad.
I mean, like
I used to be a good rhymer, and that was really
you
stupid.
used to be really good.
Oh dang, man!
10 years I've domesticated him.
The heyday. Why do they call it the heydays?
I don't know.
Like what's up with hay? And like back in the day, is it just it rhymes or it's like
it might be
the heydays? If anybody knows what the heydays were, go ahead and drop that in the comments too, and let us know where that that euphemism or what I call it euphemism, but a saying where that saying came from.
Okay, so in a large pot, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna boil the water, get some salt in there to get some flavor into those noodles.
Yeah.
Pop them on in.
Wait, it's not for flavor.
They do it for flavor.
No, so it doesn't stick to the pan.
It's not just for sticking. I watched enough MasterChef to know.
So, I want pasta cooked properly because you know what?
And in a skillet goes the bacon. Have we had bacon like most of the time that we've done this show?
It's because bacon's
I
good.
think it is, but we've had a lot of bacon.
Well, we got a
Like
cardiologist.
a whole bunch of bacon.
Wait, we don't have a cardiologist.
No, I've been to one once, but I've never, had one on hand or like had the thing in my pocket like, oh yes, cardiologist.
I've had bacon again.
Add bacon.
So you're gonna go ahead and cook the chicken and you're gonna salt it and pepper it real generously. Make it a real seasoning.
Yeah.
And you're gonna flip that about halfway through.
Yeah.
Until it's no longer pink.
No?
No
we don't
pink
want no
fans.
pink, no. Mm-mm.
That's raw.
Pink. What is the songs that Pink sings?
Oh my gosh. I could go on forever.
Well, just name one that has to do with chicken.
That has to do with chicken?
Yeah, is there anything that she has like food oriented or anything like that?
Not that I can think of.
right, next up we added the bacon back to the mix of the chicken and the garlic, and we tossed in the noodles and stuff, and like, you know, combined it all and made it, you know, cohesive. It's all combined. You want to do that noise?
No, I don't.
Do the...
No. So then in a small bowl, you're gonna mix together some eggs with some Parmesan and some parsley. Get it all mixed up in there, all good, all yummy.
Yummy. So next you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna take that egg mixture and you're gonna pour it into the pan with the noodles and the bacon and the chicken and the garlic and all that good stuff, and just swirl it around until it's nice and cohesive and yummy and And
then you're just gonna go ahead and garnish with Parmesan if you want it, and more parsley, and just enjoy the pasta-tasticness that's about to happen.
Oh yeah, we're about to enjoy that right now.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
All right, so here we go. Let's try it out. Yeah.
Are we gonna show it?
Yeah, let's go ahead and show that right now. Here it is.
Ooh, pasta.
Yummy. Carbonara.
I'm so excited. Okay.
I have to give it a 9 out of 10. Like, I have
9?
to. Yeah, definitely.
I personally am gonna go like a 7, maybe an 8, just because I need more garlic. Other than that, like, so good.
Oh man.
So worth making. And the time effort that was put into it wasn't as bad as you would think for a carbonara. Like, you are gonna put a little bit of time into it, but you could definitely make this on a weekday.
Oh yeah, easy.
Easy.
That this is one of the best dishes that we've had on this show so far. It's, to me, in my opinion, this is one of the best.
I like it. It's right up there with the broccoli or the Brussels sprouts.
We'll not talk about the Brussels sprouts.
It was so good. But
They were good.
oh, and
With the dip.
and the hamburger
On their own? No. Okay. But that's not this video.
No. You definitely want to like. You definitely want to subscribe. You definitely want to share, especially this week, because next week he's gonna be drinking something nasty.
The smoothie.
Live version of
And
him drinking something nasty.
Biggie Smalls, we seen you. You want me to drink a sardine? A sardine smoothie. Hey, let's make it happen, bro.
Let's make it happen.
Get on it.
Share. And remember, if you subscribe to the channel, that's how you're going to be able to watch him drink that live, because it's going to be on YouTube, not on Facebook.
That's right.
So make sure you're subscribing to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
All right?
Yes. So, all right, everybody. Well, thank you for watching. We hope you're having a great weekend. And don't think about Monday. It's not here yet. So just get that out of your mind and just relax and enjoy the vibes of this weekend. And we hope y'all are having a great day. And we'll see you next week. All right. Take care.
Talk to you later.